Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundle. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and then log into your account if you have an account. So once you're on Temu here, so what you're going to do, you're going to access your coupons. So you can get your coupons if you click on your orders and account details here, and underneath you will see coupons option, coupons and offers. Click on it. When you click on coupons and offers, so here it will list up all the coupons that's been given to you or available for you. So you can see the used, unused or expired ones. Okay, so simply you can just select a coupon that you wish to use. So what you need is simply the code of that coupon. So for example here I have an expired one, but all I need is this code here. So simply click on copy that code, or just remember the code. Just copy that, and then what you're going to do, you can just go back to your home page, and then you can do any of your shopping, like just browse add any item to your cart. So once you add the item to your cart here, so for example here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the item and then hit on to checkout. Right, so once you add it to cart, so hit on checkout, and then it will take you to the checkout page here. So here what you're going to do, you're going to add in your shipping address, your shipping methods and all those information, and how do you want to make the payment, everything. But on your right side here you will have an option called enter coupon code. So what you're going to do is simply paste the code, or just type in the code that you wanted to use, the code of the coupon, and then hit on apply. And then once you hit on apply, the discount or the coupon will be applied to your purchase here, and then just hit on submit order and complete the order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video.